Okay, this is my takeaways from the course. I would say the number one thing is I think people aren't used to the normal being challenged, which is something you definitely did in this semester. People are just kind of used to being given the answer, and you definitely didn't do that. So I think it kind of threw people off a lot and made it a really hard class for them, having to try and come and find the answers themselves was definitely something people are not used to doing. And I myself am in that group. I hated it. I'm not going to lie to you. But I understand where you're coming from and I get it. Another thing that I took away from this is that you are going to have to work in groups, not necessarily on group projects as a teacher, but you'll have a team. Like my wife has a third grade team. It's her and two other teachers. So having most of the semester be a team effort, I think is smart. It kind of aligns with what we'll have to do as teachers. And I think even though most people hate group projects, myself included, I'm such a control freak that I just want to do the whole project myself and have the teammates, hey, you're welcome, I did it. But you can't do that. And, I'm not going to be able to teach 3 classrooms by myself. So I'm going to have to get used to doing group stuff, I think. And then another takeaway, I think, I'll do one more, is, let's see. I think if you do the reading, you'll succeed. I think that I noticed it, and I'm sure you as a teacher did. You can definitely tell who actually did the readings and who didn't. I think that's very obvious. So, yeah, my other takeaway would be to actually study the material, and you'll do fine. I almost have an A at this point. Hopefully, I'll have an A at the end. We'll see. Fingers crossed, But yeah, study. So those are my takeaways for the class. Thank you.